Okay, Bobcat on the ship is... what? Hi everyone, let's continue to learn maritime English with help of SMCP book. You can find it on the IMO website. Today let's learn some maritime words that in most cases you will use on board. Let's start. Abandoned vessel or abandoned ship means to evacuate crew and passengers from a vessel following a distress. Accommodation ladder. Accommodation ladder attached to a platform at vessel side with flat steps and handrails enable persons to embark or disembark from water or shore. Adrift. Adrift means uncontrolled movement at sea under the influence of current, tide or wind. Air draft. Air draft is the height from the waterline to the highest point of the vessel, so usually used when passing the bridge. Assembly station or muster station is place assigned to a crew and passengers where they have to meet according to the master list when the corresponding alarm is released or announcement made. Backing of wind. Backing is shift of wind direction in an anti-clockwise manner, for example from north to west, opposite of veering. Beach. Beach means to run a vessel upon a beach to prevent it sinking in deep water. Berth. First it means a sea room to be kept for safety around a vessel, rock or platform, and second means the place assigned to a vessel when anchored or lying alongside a pier. Blast. A whistle signal made by the vessel. There is short blast and long blast. Blind sector. Blind sector is an area which cannot be scanned by the ship's radar because it is shielded by parts of the superstructure, masts, etc. Boarding arrangements. All equipment such as pilot ladder, accommodation ladder, hoist, necessary for a safe transfer of the pilot. Boarding speed. Boarding speed is the speed of a vessel adjusted to that of a pilot boat at which the pilot can safely embark or disembark. Okay, Bobcat on the ship is... what? Okay, it would be nice if this cat would be on the vessel, but on the ship it is a mini caterpillar with push blade used for the careful distribution of loose goods in cargo holds of bulk carriers. Briefing. Concise explanatory information to crew and passengers. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.